Hello guys, welcome to Viva Barca, welcome to the home of everything Barcelona, and of course welcome to the home of every Barcelona lover. Guys, in this interesting episode today we are going to be discussing on some very important and interesting issues for FC Barcelona, starting with the latest on the transfers, as it has been reported that Barcelona are set to complete 3 transfers this week. And guess who? Sergio Aguero, Memphis Depay and Eric Garcia. We all know Sergio Aguero is set to come to Barcelona and do the medicals, as I earlier reported in one of my episodes. Immediately after the Champions League final against Chelsea, Aguero will be made known to Barcelona and it will be confirmed by then. So Eric Garcia too is also near to a move, and of course Memphis Depay from Lyon. So we'll be discussing on much details as we progress. Secondly, we're also going to be discussing about the latest on Ronald Koeman's future, as Barcelona chief Joan Laporta sets deadline to make decision on Ronald Koeman. That is, if he will be sacked or he will stay at the club. We're going to be talking about that as we progress. Then lastly, we're going to be discussing on some institutional change from Joan Laporta, as he is set to meet with Jordi Cruyff. We all know the son of the legend Johan Cruyff, to discuss a possible return to the Catalan club as sporting director. So guys, stay connected, and please, if you are new to this channel, do ensure you click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification to always stay up to date as we get right into it.
Barca, Barca, Barca.
With yet another mediocre performance against Eibar, this roller coaster season finally ended for Barcelona in what was a very disheartening season for Barca fans. It has once again come to light that the club needs quality reinforcements to start competing at the top level. Both Joan Laporta and Ronald Koeman have also expressed that the club needs quality players in different areas across the pitch. According to Cat Radio, the board plans to finalize 3 transfers in the coming days, consisting of 3 players arriving for free. That is Sergio Aguero, Memphis Depay and Eric Garcia. Depay and Garcia have been linked with the club for almost a year now. We quite remember both of them were very close to sign for Barcelona in the last transfer window as well. Aguero has also been linked to the Catalan club since he announced that he would not renew his contract with Manchester City. City's manager Pep Guardiola also confirmed the news, as he said, "Aguero is very close to joining the club of my heart, Barca." The inability to replace Suarez, as we all know, has been the Achilles heels for the Catalan club this season. Barcelona missed 72 big chances this season, and the second highest number is from Real Sociedad with 56. On the other hand, the eventual winners Atletico Madrid missed just 43. It's evident that the club needs a world-class number 9 up front. Aguero marked his farewell in Manchester with a beautiful brace against Everton. Depay also ended his stint with Lyon with a world-class season, scoring 20 goals and assisting 12 more. Courts across the globe hope that this duo will be a solution to one of Barcelona's biggest problems as it stands. Another major source of Barca's problem has been their defense. The Catalan Giants conceded more goals than any other team in the top 4 this season. The club repeatedly failed to protect leads in the second half. Garcia's homecoming will surely boost the options for the manager next season. It's expected to be a very long summer in Catalonia, as we all know. The board will also take very important decisions, many of them as well, regarding the heavyweights in the dressing room in the coming weeks. Laporta has already started saying that the cycle has to come to an end and many changes are to be made to make a squad that can compete at the highest level in Europe. So moving on to the next big story concerning Ronald Koeman's future, it has been reported that President Joan Laporta has set a deadline for when he would decide whether to sack or keep manager Ronald Koeman. Barcelona ended their campaign with a 1-0 win over Eibar on Saturday. However, the victory only secured a 3rd place finish in La Liga. Koeman is under pressure following a poor run of results at the end of the season, which saw Barca's title hopes go up in smoke. The victory over Eibar made it 2 wins from their last 6 league matches. Barca lost at home to Celta Vigo and Granada in that time, as well as drawing at Levante. Koeman watched his side crash out of the Champions League at the first round of the knockout stages in March, going down 5-2 on aggregate against Paris Saint-Germain. Spanish outlet Sport says a decision over the future of the Dutchman is very imminent. The report says Laporta will decide whether or not to keep Koeman before the first week of June. With May ending in 7 days' time, it does not give the Barca chief much time to deliberate. Koeman said goodbye to his players for the summer on Sunday, but with every intention of remaining the club's manager. The 58-year-old will meet with Laporta and a decision would then be made by the Barca hierarchy. So we'll just have to keep our fingers crossed. We just hope everything goes on well and the best decision is taken by Laporta, hopefully, and of course Koeman also understands. So of course we have been hearing Koeman really still angry. We quite remember before the Eibar game last week, he said he deserved respect. The club was not giving him the respect that he he needs. So guys, we just hope that if in case, as I said, if in case Laporta decides to sack Koeman, it should be in a friendly way. So we just hope everything goes on well, and we wish the best for this club. So on to the final story of this episode, guys. Joan Laporta will meet Jordi Cruyff this week to discuss his future role at Barcelona. According to ESPN, the former player is of course still under contract at Shenzhen FC as head coach. That said, his contract is set to contain a clause that would allow him to leave for Barcelona under the tenure of sporting director at any time for free. This is, however, a grey area. The clause allows the Dutchman to depart the Chinese club only if Barcelona wish to hire him as a sporting director. It is currently unclear which role Jordi Cruyff will assume at Barcelona, with recent reports suggesting that he may even be a successor to Ronald Koeman as manager, whose future at the Camp Nou is for the time being up in the air. President Laporta has been vocal about his desire to bring the 47-year-old back to the Catalan capital, initially via the role of sporting director. The Chinese Super League is currently undergoing a break till mid-June, which Cruyff is hoping to exploit by traveling to Barcelona to hold discussions with the incumbent president. The Dutchman's departure may be something that the Chinese outfit are already planning for, with replacements already being considered within and outside the club. He is reportedly keen to return to Barcelona for professional and personal reasons, and he is one of the key figures in the project under Matteo Alemany and Ramon Planes, who hope to rebuild the club from the ground up, including revitalizing the entire board. So Jordi Cruyff is the son of the legendary Johan Cruyff, as we all know, who served Barcelona both as a player and manager, and whose philosophy has been the foundation of the club for the better half of 3 decades. So guys, with that we come to an end of this episode, and I hope you did enjoy the video. If you haven't clicked on that subscribe button below and you are new to this channel, please ensure you do so to always stay up to date with everything Barcelona here on Viva Barca. Until next time, bye bye.